So hi, and probably this is the week 2 or week 3. I forgot, and I even forgot to make my videos. Like it's been 30 days. I'm uploading this video, and never mind. So yeah, I was within my steps, and for like 2 to 3 months, yeah, 2 to 3 months. You might know that I was learning Next.js and TypeScript, and my college has been started like 1 week ago. So I have to go to college 9 to 5. So I don't get much time in this period. So yeah, and so I'm making this video to explain why what I'm doing, what I'm not doing, like the public building public stuff, so that I can be also like consistent enough and motivated enough to do other steps after that. And I like when people like comment in my video, like yeah, those XYZ, you were doing XYZ, bro XYZ. So this kind of things like push me a portion of my journey like that. I'm making this video to explain what I am doing and what I'm going to do in my next from next few months. My college has started, and after 1 month, my midterm is coming. And as you all know, college is gonna fuck me in that time, so I can't do anything in that time. So I have to do anything before the time period. So yeah, I probably have 20 days to learn anything, and after 10 days, I will prepare for my uh, semester exams. So there are some things I have done in my past 2 months. Like I made a portfolio, as you can know that while I was learning Next.js and TypeScript, and after that, basically I was thinking, what will I do? What will I learn? And I was not confident enough to make anything big enough to, or maybe applying for any job. So I was exploring open source, and yeah, I was exploring open source, and I was exploring some front-end based repos like Material UI, Skeleton, and there was something like GlueStack UI. Luckily, I have raised 3 PR in Skeleton, and two of them got merged. Yeah, and it's my first time in open source, and I feel really good about that. And it's not that big, it's so enough. Like it's not that huge amount of coding line and all, but it was small UI related bugs like color picker button, etc., etc. And I've raised one peer in GlueStack UI, but the repo is dead and maintainers don't maintain that repo, so ignore that. But yeah, after that, I've realized something that if you're a beginner, then you can also start open source. But the thing is that you can't be like you can't get into deeper into that. So you must have to gain some fundamental and deeper knowledge into that. Like if you're doing full stack, then learn the backend stuff, learn the front end steps, and learn how the things work actually. And one message open source that you don't need to understand the whole code base. If you want to contribute any issue, then find the Excel file. There was any search button in VS Code or code in code editor. Just search the file name and just get into that file, understand that code by AI, and find the issue there. And one thing is more that try to maintain the coding style because every repo has different coding style, and they maintain differently. So maintain that. Under 2 weeks, I was exploring open source. So yeah, after that, I was basically exploring a freelancing projects, वगैरह. So मैंने ढूंढ रहा था Instagram से, but the thing is, uh, I made a new account on Instagram, like for that client ढूंढना इस purpose के लिए. So I was DMing, like cold DMing every day 10 to 12 person like cakes or bakery shops and those things, but at the end those are useless. Those are pretty useless because nobody was your DM. If someone did, then he will just ignore. And I think if you want some freelance clients from Instagram, then I would say make some content, like make reels about your projects. That what are you doing, and this is before, this is after, and make some cool edits of reels, and just attract those people because nobody gonna see your cold DMs in the hidden sections, because in Instagram the unknown person DM is not going to show in primary or general, it's going to show in hidden, so it's pretty useless. So I would rather pick Twitter or Reddit for marketing myself. So yeah, those are things I've learned till now, but and for now I'm not chasing anything of those things. And from for the next 1 or 2 months, I will probably learn. I will probably learn some backend stuff like Postgres, Prisma, and ORM. All these things, Redis, वगैरह. And we'll try to make some projects and become comfortable in that. And we'll try to become great at design engineering because I'm more into designing stuff, front end area. So let's see. I made pretty projects some before, but still, I'm pretty underconfident and weak in backend stuff. Let's see what I can do in that portion. And for now, my college is going and assignments are giving those people, and exams are coming in next semester. Probably I have 20 days. So in 20 days, probably I will learn that. PostgreSQL and Prisma, and we'll try to make a project maybe. And after that, I'll just make projects, and side by side I will focus on designing stuff, and making UI components in Next.js, TypeScript, Tailwind, all these things. This is the plan. Now let's see. And at this point, if any company even give me opportunity, then I am I will fumble a lot because my communication skill is not that good, and I'm not that good enough in that skills. So yeah, let's see what I can do. And yeah, and if you want to know anything or maybe say anything, then drop any comments. Yeah, bye bye.